Today we're here to put space to the test, and we're checking out the difference between a campervan and our Opus ORX. So head on over with me and let's check out the difference in the campervan to start with. So heading inside, it's instantly noticeable in terms of the feeling of space. It feels quite cramped in here. Wanted the bed area up here set up. I've got to pull this down, which then means I've got really reduced head height. For the other double bed here, I've got to adjust the seating area, lay that down, and the kitchen's quite small, especially in terms of accessing it while I'm sleeping. And I think probably what's key in here is that ultimately everybody's got to go to bed at the same time, because there's no way to access the bed above whilst you've got somebody sleeping down here. Oh, so that's the campervan. It'll do the job if you don't mind squeezing in. But next up, let's check out the Opus ORX. Now, here we are inside the Opus ORX. So first up, what we're going to notice is this fantastic ceiling height, over 2.5 meters worth. If you fancy chilling, bit of a sit down, no problem. There's plenty of space here to chill with family and friends in this fixed seating area. What's great in here as well is it also doesn't compromise the bed space that we've got on offer. So we've got a fixed bed over here that can actually be turned into a king size by using some of the seating area, and then another double this side. The beds are super comfortable with thick mattresses, and best yet, I'm not going to disturb anybody if I want to lay in. So with the Opus ORX, it's also possible to zip on an awning onto here, which will blow up using the pump inside the camper, so no need for any hand pump or effort. The awning would then cover this area, so you get an even larger living area, duplicating the space inside. And then off of that living area, there's also another 2 bedrooms. So in total, you can sleep up to 10 people inside the Opus ORX. Next up, let's take a look at the cooking facilities. And to be honest, this beats my kitchen at home. So we've got a fantastic 4-burner gas stove here with windshields. We've got a great sink area, folding drying rack, LED lighting if you want to be out here cooking at night or an early morning cuppa. Then we've also got a full-size cutlery drawer in here and some fantastic LED lighting all the way around. What's great about this kitchen is that you can actually use it if you're towing your Opus and stopped in a lay-by or services. You can open it up without having to set the whole camper up. You can make yourself coffee or perhaps a nice bacon sandwich. And don't worry, if you're camping in your ORX, we're not expecting you to always cook al fresco. The awning over the head effectively will cover this area so you can be nice and contained, whatever the weather. Right, I'm all set up, ready to camp. I need some food and drink. I don't need to pack anything down, so I'm off to the shops.